Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Wan 2025 channel. Today we're taking our Wan 2.2 Animate workflow to the next level. If you followed my last video, you know we got some great results, but today we're going to repair and refine that workflow using MimicMotion. This will be a quick, focused guide on using MimicMotion specifically as a preprocessor to get much cleaner movement. If you haven't seen the initial setup, please check out my previous video first. First, open up your previous Wan 2.2 workflow. We're going to swap out the standard detection for something more precise. Locate your pose and face detection section. Search for and add the MimicMotionGetPoses node. Connect your reference image, the character you want to animate, and your video, the source of the motion. Take the pose image's output and plug it into the set node MyPose. One small but important tweak: I've changed the frame rate to 30 FPS. This ensures the motion stays fluid and matches the high quality of the Wan 2.2 model. That's it for the setup. Let's fire up the queue and see what happens. Let's look at the comparison between the standard wanAnimatePreprocess and this new MimicMotion method. As you can see, the motion is significantly more stable. One thing to notice: when using MimicMotion, the preprocessor scales the output size to match your reference image. This is why the result might not fill the entire screen, but the anatomical accuracy is much higher. Now for the ultimate test: how does it stack up against Wan 2.2? I'll let you be the judge of that. Check out the details in the hair and the limb transitions. The results speak for themselves. MimicMotion adds the extra layer of polish Wan 2.2 needs for professional-looking AI video. If you found this helpful, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to ComfyUI 2025 for more deep dives into ComfyUI workflows. Leave a comment below if you have questions about the node connections. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.